Today we're going to be installing this mulching kit on our Bad Boy Rambler. You can see it comes with a diagram on how to assemble it, simple instructions. It comes with the bolts you'll need, and the diverters are here. Give you new blades. The reason I chose this over, they have these block offs for your chutes here. I don't recommend them. All they do is block it off. It still wants to throw your grass out there. You're gonna clump it. It's not gonna do a good job. They're cheap, not worth it. This here, they are expensive. They're over $300 for your mulching kit, but you're gonna mulch your lawn. You're not gonna have the big clumps. It's gonna do a much better job. It's the correct way of doing it. Your lawn will look much better. So let's get started on this. I'm gonna get this mower up in the air, make it easier to work on, get things set up, and we'll come back to this. The first thing I want you to do is remove your chute, your diverter here for the grass. You've got three bolts here. They should be 5/16. I believe a 1/2-inch wrench should do it. Alrighty. Yes, that's a 1/2-inch wrench. You'll have three of these to unscrew and pull off this diverter out here. There we go, we have it off. You could see three bolt holes there. I put the screws back in with the nuts, save that for later. What I really like about this diverter though is that it's rubber, it's not plastic. Makes it easier to get through airtight areas, and it doesn't crack and break if you choose to leave that on there, but this is really nice. Let's get on with this repair. Here's another nice thing. You have the three holes here that are already pre-drilled. You're also going to have the two here, and the other two are over here. So that's all pre-drilled for you. One suggestion I will make is, before you do this, clean the underside. Don't wait until you start working on it, because that will make it messy, which I did. See, there's the two holes are here. All you're gonna do is slide that up in there. Make sure you got your clean surface. Line her up and bolt her down. That's all there is to it. You've got three of those to do. I'm gonna get on with that. All the bolts are supplied, and then we'll move on to these blades. We're gonna just have one screw that holds them in, take those out, put the new blades in, and we'll be all done. These are the bolts that hold this in the kit. They're a 9/16 wrench. It's difficult to see here underneath, but they're tucked up underneath here. There you go. Kind of tough to get to, so you're gonna need to use an extension here to get to that inner bolt. Shouldn't be a problem though. It's deep in there. You just gotta locate it, and there you go. Not a problem. Okay, that one's in place. And the bolts go from the bottom of the deck up, and you put your nuts on top. I had started that the other way, which is wrong. Let's get on with the other ones. Okay, to mount this one, the supplied 5/16 bolts are too big. They do not go through. I believe these are, this plate is made to fit different mowers because it has 3 separate holes, and those will work for our chute bolts will go right through there. I'm sure that is the correct mounting. You can see it's the only 3 holes up here. So that's what you'll be using for this. The best that I could see on this. I'm not going to drill these holes bigger. They've got the square holes that will hold on to the square head from your chute here. So that's what I'll be using. As you can see, they go right in there. I'm sure that's how they were intended to be used. They say to torque them to 13 foot-pounds, so I'm just tightening them. They do use lock nuts. They got the nylock in them. So they shouldn't loosen up. They're made for the vibration. There we go. Got the last one to go. All right, that's the last little one. You do have to get these surfaces really clean because where they mate, they're a very close fit under here. There's 1, 2, and you can see the one on the back side. So let's move on to the blades here. There's a difference in the blades, new and old. Standard blade, mulching blade. The standard blade seems to have more lift to throw that grass out, where the mulcher seems to just whip it around in there. Different blade configuration. You got a straight blade, and then the mulcher has this conform blade. Okay, blades are in. Everything's done. And that's all there was to it.